In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Scale AI. Now, the first thing that happens when you come to the dashboard.scale.com and you sign into your account, you'll be able to see you have your dashboard over here. This is kind of the welcome message, the getting started guide. So I would always recommend you actually go through these. So you actually, as they say over here, you create your first project, create your first batch, and then start inviting your labeling team, and then start exploring the labeler management. Now over here you can see all about it. So all about your labeling team, how many people there are, how many members, managers, labelers, how many people were invited, and you can also manage it by clicking over here, and it's going to take you to where you can invite your members. Here you can also see your active projects, and you can create a new one with the click of this button. And of course you can also do that by clicking select a project and clicking create new project up here. So after you do this, you can just basically create your project, and then inside that project, which I'm going to demonstrate right now, you're going to be able to choose your workforce. So the workforce can be either Scale Rapid, where basically you can see the description over here, or it can be Scale Studio, where you can use your own team of labelers to achieve high quality labels with efficiency. So you can do whichever one you want. For this one, I'm going to use this one over here. And then over here, you can select basically what project you want to create. So you have a bunch of different options. And of course, you want to create the one that's relevant for you. But what I'm going to do over here, I'm just going to do, for example, let's do chatbot response specificity. Okay, I'm going to click on this one. And over here, you can basically just use and modify a template like this. And then this is going to open up for you in just a few seconds. There we go. So as you can see, this is now a new studio project. You have to give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name, test, and then next. And after that's done over here, as you can see, basically your project is ready. And in here, you can of course add more data. You can work on it. You can go ahead and put in the use cases, the taxonomy, the instructions, the batches, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do in here. There's a lot of other tutorials on YouTube, on the internet you can use to actually see how to specifically use these projects in here. But if you go back to the dashboard to actually show you how to navigate around, what you're going to have to do is basically you can, of course, work on your projects. And then if you want to read the studio docs, you can do that over here. If you need the API reference, you can do it over here. If you need the Python notebook, you can get it down here. And then up here, you can go ahead and purchase one of the plans if you need them. So you can view your subscription. You can get more plans if you want to. If you need more, you can add in your payment options and see your monthly usage. You can adjust your profile, your team. You can adjust your labeling team over here. Your API key is going to be located in here. And then you can, of course, integrate it as well if you want to with a lot of different things over here. So as you can see, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Azure, and etc. Okay, so these are pretty much the things that you need to know once you are starting to use Scale AI. Up here, of course, you can also search by projects or tasks. Over here, you have kind of an option to switch between Scale Pro and Studio. And up here, there's going to be your notifications. Currently, I have 0. If you click on your account, you can open up your profile, team labeling again. So this is basically the same over here, except for if you want to sign out or log in, you can just click the logout button over here and you will log out of your account. So other than that, that's pretty much it. There's nothing more to say. Of course, you can just get started just like I showed you. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.